When screen time is enabled with a passcode, Apple requires you to enter it before you can reset your iPhone through settings. If you've forgotten that code, you're effectively locked out of resetting your own device. How to reset iPhone without Screen Time Passcode? The first and cleanest solution is using iCloud or the Find My app. Sign in with your Apple ID, select your iPhone from the list, and choose Erase iPhone. This wipes your device remotely, removing both the Screen Time Passcode and all data in one go. It only asks for your Apple ID, not the Screen Time code. If iCloud isn't an option, recovery mode through iTunes or Finder works just as well. Connect your iPhone to iTunes or Finder. Now, put your device into recovery mode. Quickly press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until you see the recovery screen. Once your device appears in recovery mode, click Restore when prompted. This downloads fresh software and erases everything, and it requires absolutely no passwords. But what if you want to keep your data intact? This is where MagFone iPhone Unlocker comes in. It's a dedicated tool designed specifically to remove screen time passcodes without any data loss. The software handles the removal in minutes, preserving all your photos, messages, and apps. Once the screen time restriction is gone, you can reset your iPhone normally through settings if you still want to, or simply continue using your device with full access restored.